Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video today, I'll be doing a mini AliExpress haul, showing you some things I got from AliExpress, and most importantly, I will be showing you how to order from AliExpress. Very easy and cheap. If it's something you love to know about, stick around. Don't go anywhere. So let's start this video. I got a couple of things from AliExpress, and I think the most important one, or the one that made people ask me so many questions, was this. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Yeah, this wireless mic I got. So I posted it on my social media platforms, and I got several questions on how I ordered it, where I ordered it. So many questions. So I just decided to make a video because I was answering so many questions. But before we start this video proper, if it's your first time seeing my face, seeing this beautiful face, thank you for clicking on this video. You won't regret clicking on this video. Please take a few seconds of your time to join the family by hitting the subscribe button down below and turning on the notification bell. I'm waiting for you. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate it. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me. I love you and I appreciate you. So I got some things on AliExpress, and I'll be showing you the ones I got like recently, and also the ones I've gotten for a while now, but I haven't. Basically, what I'll be showing you are the ones I haven't unpacked or unwrapped, whichever English it is. I've been buying stuff from AliExpress for some years now, and it has been going smoothly. I like the platform because it's quite cheap, and though your things don't get to you as fast as when you order from like your regular website, but apart from that, the things are very cheap and they are worth it, most of them. So I'll just be showing you a few things I ordered from them that I have not packed. So I ordered these earrings from them. I don't know why everything. Yes, it's like, let me show you. I'm just trying to be fast. I don't want like this video to be too long. So it's, I don't know if I'll call it an Indian earring. You know this earring that has like two different, yes, yeah, I ordered it from them and it was really cheap. I think I ordered it less than 500 naira, or I can't remember. I ordered this lip mask. It's a lip mask, just the way you have face masks. That's it. I ordered this for teeth whitening. Yes. Most importantly, I ordered this. This was part of the last set of things I ordered. I ordered this last week. No, I got it last week rather. I ordered it, I think 2 to 3 weeks ago. They take time before they come. About 2 weeks. 2 weeks is the least. 1 week plus is actually the least. So I ordered this mic. Let me just show you how it looks. I did a short video of unboxing. So this is how it looks. This is the wireless mic, and this is the one you connect to your phone. And this is the charger. This is the cord for the mic. So I got this also. Like a small purse. Yeah. This tiny little purse. I bought it actually to put the, so I don't get to carry it around bare, and also I don't get to carry the pack around. So this is the purpose. This is the purpose it is going to serve. So this is why I got this. Very small. It was very cheap. Like even this one. Maybe I'll just link where I got this stuff below, or if you don't see it, you can ask for the one you want. Then this one will be so good for if you have a laundry or you are a tailor, whichever one. But if you are somebody that you do a lot of ironing, somebody that does a lot of ironing, I ordered this. It's actually like a net, but it's an ironing protective cloth. So before you iron, you place it on the cloth to prevent it from burning. That's basically the work. So that's all I have that is unwrapped. I've gotten a lot, like tons of things on AliExpress, but this is what I have that I haven't unwrapped or used yet. So moving on to the important part of this video, I'll be showing you how to order from AliExpress, from setting up the account to ordering and all that. So let's get it. I'll be showing it on any part of the screen. You'll just be seeing to any part of the screen. So the first thing you want to do is download the AliExpress app if you don't have it already. The AliExpress app, you can get it on Play Store. So once you download it, this is what the app looks like. You'll be seeing it somewhere. After downloading it, this is what the app looks like. So I downloaded it afresh on another phone just to show you people how everything is. So after downloading it, when you open it for the first time, this is what you see. This is what you see. So they'll show you select country or region. What you want to do is select your country, obviously. So what they will be showing there by default is United States. You just find, for me, I'm Nigerian, and so if you're Nigerian, every country is there. But if you're Nigerian, you just click on your own country. So I'm searching for Nigeria, NNN. Yes, Nigeria. So after clicking on Nigeria, you click continue. So it just opens. This is what you'd see. You'll see the whole homepage for AliExpress. Yes. So you're just seeing everything here. You don't have an account. You see the place where they write sign in under. But instead of signing in, since you don't have an account, you are signing up rather. Yes. So you see different options where you see Facebook, Google, Twitter, and more options. You go for the more options, and then you see sign up with any of your mails. You click on the mail yourself. For this, I'll be using one of my random mails to do this. So just setting it up. It's just the normal setup. You put your mail and you put your password to set up the account. So after putting your mail and password you want, a confirmation code will be sent to your mail. All you need to do is put it into the app and voila, you have a new account. So this is it. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm sure you'll be seeing it on the screen. So this is what it looks like. So because you put Nigeria from the beginning as your country, everything will be in Naira. If you didn't put, I think the previous version of the apps, there was no place to put your country at the beginning. So you see it in dollar, then you have to change it to Naira. But now they provided a place to put your country. So once you put it, everything will be in your country's currency. So for the first part, if you can see it, for the first part, you see item, that's your first order deal. They'll say items from $0.01 and free shipping. So you can click on that part and anything you see there, basically anything you see there will cost 4 Naira. You have different deals. You can just look around and check your deals. So what you do is, for example, let's say this is what I want to buy. I click on it. Yes, I'm clicking on this wristwatch. It's a 4 Naira wristwatch as my first gift. I click on buy now. So this item here is not free shipping. The shipping costs about 800 Naira. So you can just search for anything that is 4 Naira and has free shipping. That's basically what you will do. So once you see that, you click on it and yeah, this is free shipping and it's 4 Naira. So everything will cost 4 Naira. You continue. The reason why it costs 4 Naira because this is your first gift. So it's either you get 4 Naira worth of product or you get, I think, about 50% off. You can just look through and check your options, but many people jump at this 4 Naira because who doesn't like free stuff? So after placing your order, before you click on place your order, you want to put your address and select your payment method. This is like the important part of shopping on AliExpress. So add new address. I'm not going to be adding my address, I'm just going to be explaining how to add the address here. So for contact name, you know you're going to add your name, your phone number, your shipping address. You add your address where you want this item to be shipped to. You put in the next one, which is absolute or unit, is optional. Then you put in your city. You put in your zip or postal code. Your zip or postal code, you can find that online. You just click on, if you're at, for example, you're at Ikeja, Lagos, you type on Google Ikeja, Lagos zip code and it comes out. You click it in. Then you set as default shipping address and save. That's what you do for this page. Then for select payment method, you can add your card. So once you click on add your card, you just see the boxes where you're supposed to put all the information for your card and you click it in. That's and save and confirm. That's basically it. It's actually very simple. So after that, place your order. I don't want to place any order because I can't get a free item because I already have a previous account. You can't open multiple accounts and get free items. So you place your order and that's it. They will show you your delivery date, your expected delivery date, and most of the time you don't wait. The item may not come on your expected delivery. It might come before or after. Most of the time it comes before your expected delivery date. So that is that about ordering from or shopping on AliExpress. If you have any questions, I can also, if you have questions, I can also tell you how you can get free coins to reduce cost of things you buy and many other things. So if you have any questions, you have anything you're not clear on, you can just ask me and I'll put you through on it. So I hope you shop on this app because it's actually very cheap and you should shop. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you love this video, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, it might be helpful to others. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a lovely comment, and don't forget to drop any questions you have. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Until then, keep winning.